Hey guys, it's Pokemon Food Reviews, and what I have here are 6 Gold Star Pokemon cards I made from scratch. And in this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make them yourself. So in order to do this, you will need to install OpenOffice if you don't already have it. You will need to use a printer that prints in color. You will need a glue stick and a Pokemon card that you don't care about destroying. So next you're going to want to choose a picture of the card that you want to make, and I'd recommend choosing a picture of the card with the best quality, or else it's not going to look realistic at all. So then once you find the picture of the card that you want, just open OpenOffice, and then select a new document, and then copy the image, and then paste it into the text document. You're going to want to click on the picture, and then go into the position and size tab, and change the width to 2.48 and change the height to 3.46. After it has been printed out, you need to cut it out, get your trusty Pokemon card, and glue the paper over it. So this is my finished Shining Charizard, and it really does not look that great. It actually looks kind of sad, but this is one of the harder ones to make. If you decide to make something a bit easier, it will look better. This is one of the better ones I've made. It looks a lot better, more realistic. So if you choose something easier to do like this, then it will definitely have a better result.